Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start our third lecture of mathematics of class 4. And for this you must have pencil, eraser, notebook and countdown book. So that if there are some important points then you can note it down. As previously you have learnt about how to read and write numbers in words and figures up to 9 digits, and how to compare and order 8-digit numbers. And also you have solved exercise 1A. Today we are going to start topic 2, addition and its word problems, including page number 8, 9, 10 of your book. As previously we have learned about the addition of 4-digit numbers, where addition is the sum of 2 or more numbers, where the sign of addition is plus sign. The other terms used for addition are total, more than, sum and plus. Here are the sum rules for adding 6-digit numbers, which we have to keep in our mind. Be careful with the columns while writing the digits of a number. In addition, we have to always start from the right side with ones column, then add the tens, then hundreds, after it thousands, and then 10,000s. And at the end we have to add the 100,000s column. In this lecture, you will be able to add numbers up to 6 digits vertically and to solve the real life problems involving addition. Here is an example. We have to add these two numbers vertically. Firstly, we will write them in the vertical form and then we will start adding them from the right side, means from the ones column. Now look at the ones column. The numbers here are 6 and 2. By adding them, 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. Now in tens column. In tens column, the numbers are 1 and 0. By adding them, we get 1. Next, further towards hundreds place, the numbers are 5 and 2. And 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. Next, in the thousands place, here the numbers are 6 and 3, and 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. Now in 10,000s place, the numbers are 5 and 4, and by adding them we will get 9. In the last there is the place 100,000s. Here the numbers are 4 and 1. By adding them, we will get 5. So our total answer is 599,718. Now we will start exercise 1B from page 8 to 10. Now question number 6, part C. Write the number which is 900 more than 460,000 and 100. In this question we have to add 900 into another given number, because more than means we have to add. Now let's start the solution. Firstly, we have to write them in the vertical form. We will write 900 below the 460,000 and 100. Next, by adding them from the right side, means from the ones column. In the ones column, the numbers are 0 and 0. By adding them, 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. Next, in the tens column, the numbers are 0 and 0. And 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. Next, in the hundreds place, the numbers are 1 and 9. and 1 plus 9 is equals to 10. We will write 0 after 10 in the hundreds place, and 1 will be given as the carry to the thousand. Now 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. Next, in the 10,000s place, there is only one number 6, and below 6 there is nothing. So where there is nothing, there is 0. So 6 plus 0 is equals to 6. Next, in the last 100,000s place, here the number is 4, and below 4 there is nothing, it means there is 0. So 4 plus 0 is equals to 4. So our answer is 461,000. Now we will do word problems related to topic of addition from your book, page number 10. Question number 1. A factory made 64,750 jute bags on Monday and 51,060 more on Tuesday. How many bags were made altogether? Since we know altogether is usually we use for finding out addition of numbers in word problem. So we will find total number of bags on these 2 days. So let's start the solution. Firstly, we will make the statements. First statement is bags made on Monday is equals to 64,750. Next is bags made on Tuesday is equals to 51,060. The next is total bags made. How can we find it? Firstly, we will write it in vertical form, and we will add them from the right side, means from the ones column. In the ones column, the numbers are 0 and 0, and 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. Next, in tens column, the numbers are 5 and 6. By adding them, we will get 11, and we will write 1 of the 11 in the tens column, and the next one will be given as carry to the 100. Next, in the hundreds place, 1 plus 7 plus 0 is equals to 8. Next, further to the thousands place, the numbers are 4 and 1, and 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. And then in the 10,000s place, the numbers are 6 and 5, and by adding them, 6 plus 5 is equals to 11. And we will write the 1 of the 11 in the 10,000s place, and the other one in the 100,000s place. So our answer is 115,810. So 115,810 bags were made altogether. Now question number 3. Our library has 46,918 books of English and 108,625 books of Urdu. What is the total number of books? Here we are required total number of books, that is, we have to add the number of books. Now the solution. Firstly, we will write the statements like English books, Urdu books, and total books. How can we find the total books? Firstly, we have to write the numbers in the vertical form, and we will start adding from the ones column. In the ones column, the numbers are 5 and 8. By adding them, 5 plus 8 is equals to 13. We will write 3 of 13 in the ones column, and 1 of 13 will be given carry in the tens column. Now in the tens column, 1 plus 2 plus 1 is equals to 4. Then in the hundreds column, 6 plus 9 is equals to 15. We will write 5 of 15 in the hundreds column, and 1 will be given as carry to the 1000. Then in the 1000 column, 1 plus 8 plus 6 is equals to 15. Here we will also write 5 in the thousands column, and 1 of 15 will be given as carry to the 10,000s column. Now in the 10,000s column, 1 plus 0 plus 4 is equals to 5. Now in the last column, 100,000s. Here there is only one number, which is 1, and below 1 there is nothing, so there will be 0. So 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. So in the end, we got the total number of books, which are 155,543. Now this is your home assignment. There are 20,356 cats and 12,400 dogs in Lahore. How many total animals are there altogether? Now question number 2 will be from exercise 1B, question number 4 of page number 9 of your maths book. If you have any questions regarding this topic, then you can write in the comment box. Thank you.